The first round of the 2019 NBA playoffs is underway, and already several teams have gotten the upper hand in their respective series. Today we'll look ahead, way ahead, and ask our legends to give us their picks for the NBA Western Conference and Eastern Conference Finals, or Conference Semis. Right away, we'll figure this out. Bottom line, Coach Alan Caidic and Coach Jerry Codinera are going to predict and give their picks which teams are going to outlast the other teams per conference. All right, let's get to it. I would imagine both of you will have the Warriors as easy pick to make it all the way to the conference finals.
Well, seeded talaga sila. They're number one in their division. Kaya lang medyo pag sa second round they'll be playing against most likely Houston. So medyo mabigat na laban, but eventually I pick Golden State pa rin to land in that final sa Western. And then ang kalaban niya, ang pinili ko is yung Portland because they're playing very well right now, and this is their chance na makarating uli sa finals ng Western. Although, it's a 3-1 against OKC, makakalaban pa niya. It's either Denver or
San Antonio.
Medyo mabigat din. But, I'll pick them.
Wow, a lot of faith in Damian Lillard, ha?
Yes.
Bakit?
Well, nakita mo yung nag-mature na siya, and ang ganda ng tinatakbo ng Portland ngayon, at saka walang masyadong yung superstar, parang alam nila yung mga roles nila, and wala lang, basta they just keep on playing and helping one another to win the game. Ganon. Para walang pressure ba?
Walang pressure. Okay. That's very interesting. Sa'yo, Coach Jerry, in the West, siguro Warriors din number one mo.
Yes,
Warriors din.
Warriors. With their yung lineup and their standings with Steph Curry, siyempre Klay Thompson. It's a perfect team for me. So, they will go up against sa akin. Portland din. Pwede pumili isa pa, Houston. Paano ko ni Harden?
Well, in all likelihood, they'll meet each other in the semifinals. Which is yun nga, sabi nga ni Coach Alan, sayang sa conference semifinals sila magkikita, hindi sa conference final. But, well, that's why you have... That's why you work hard in the regular season para
the placings.
Yes, para maganda ang placing. So, if the two of you are projecting na Portland is going all the way to the conference finals, are you giving Portland a chance to actually shock Golden State in the conference finals sa West?
Pwede, yes. It's possible. Kasi, with Lillard and McCullough, plus yung mga other support group nila, magandang chemistry. They know where the ball, alam nila kung saan pupunta bola, may direction. So, with baka mag-overconfident si Warriors, you don't know. Pwede. Anything is possible.
Well, I don't know their matchup, yung win-loss record silang dalawa. But may chamba dyan sa Warriors pagka nag-all the way itong Portland sa
When
final.
you're saying that may chamba o may tulog ang mga teams against the Warriors, are you therefore saying na may nakikita kayong mga weaknesses sa Warriors that can be capitalized on?
Yeah, well, number one, hopefully wala namang ma-injured, no? That's number one na kalaban ng players, injury. And then, yun nga, baka mag-overconfidence yung ibang player na kayang-kaya tong Portland. So, maraming pwedeng mangyari. Saka, yun nga, basta steady lang dapat itong Portland. Kasi, bago ka dumating doon, lalabanan mo pa yung winner ng Denver at saka Spurs.
Na mabigat din yun. Okay, speaking of mabigat din, ang bigat na ginagawa ngayon ng Milwaukee Bucks, Coach Jerry, you are picking the Bucks to go all the way to the conference finals.
Yes, because of Giannis Antetokounmpo, and it's a new iba yung team nila ngayon. Mas kompleto, mas malalim ang bench. So I'm hoping they will go all the way.
The same ka din, Coach Alan.
Yeah, Milwaukee, kasi sayang naman yung pinaghirapan nila nung elimination, nung regular season, kung hindi sila abot all the way sa finals ng Eastern. And I picked the Raptors. Yun din, maganda rin ang showing nila. Sila yung 1 and 2. So, medyo parang deserving sila na sana sila yung mag-meet sa finals ng Eastern.
Coach Jerry, Raptors ka rin, di ba?
Yes, yung Raptors, nakita ko yan sila with Embiid, big man. So, kung if we
Well,
will
si Embiid ngayon, you have questions about Embiid's health for the Sixers.
Injury, oh.
Feeling mo kasi baka yung injury niya might become an issue
Yes,
later on in the playoffs.
But if he will be healthy, nako, pwedeng they're in trouble si Giannis. Kung ano yan dominating din, parang another big guy.
But what's interesting is, Embiid,
Butler.
Simmons, Butler,
Jimmy
pero pareho kayo, ang tingin nyo, Raptors ang aabot ng conference finals. Coach Alan, bakit?
Well, gusto ko lang siguro na Raptors ang umangat kahit na paano umabot sila dun sa finals ngayon. Kasi sayang din yung effort na yung mamabigay ng yung nabigay ni na
Nila DeRozan dati, Kyle Lowry.
Ni Kyle Lowry, at saka yung si nakatrade ni
Marc Gasol, sila Valanciunas dati.
Yes.
Kumbaga, yung nasimulan nila, you want to see this current Raptors team to, sundan nyo.
Sundan, yes.
Follow through.
Yes.
So the two of you do not trust the process of Philadelphia. Kasi
baka sumabog
nagpalakas sila Kumuha pa sila ng Tobias Harris.
Malakas for sure. Pero pwedeng sumabog anytime tong team na to with Butler and Embiid. Alam mo naman, di ba?
So you have questions about their chemistry?
Medyo I might be wrong, pero sa nakikita ko kasi may mga situation kung game to game ang pag-uusapan, hindi sila consistent Medyo palayo minsan naman, alam mo yan, parang
And that's the advantage you see with the Raptors, Coach Zeren, na yung hindi nyo nakikita sa Raptors that they might have chemistry issues along the way.
Yes, but I'm sure they will find a way to make things happen para sa Raptors. But syempre, semis na yan So, eventually, magkakasama-sama rin.
Malaking bagay kasi sa playoffs yung consistency di ba? So, makikita mo sa Raptors through kay Kawhi at saka the rest of their yung mga teammates niya, medyo ang ganda ng flow steady lang. Similar to the Portland sa kabila. Kaya silang dalawa yung napili ko na parang dark horse na pwedeng umakyat sa finals.
And those guys will playing without pressure.
Yes.
That's a big weapon for an underdog team.
Correct.
We like to think ito, hindi underdogs tong dalawa na to. Kasi these are Hall of Fame players. Coach Alan Kayde, Coach Jericho Diniera, happy Easter, and thank you.
Likewise.
Thank you for helping us out today.
Thank you also.
This has been The Score. I'm Miko Halili. You can also watch The Score on the iWant app for free. And we'll leave you now with our feature on the Media Day workout of Filipino boxing champion Jerwin Angkahas. We'll see you all again tomorrow.
Determined to defend his world title, Pinoy boxing champ Jerwin Angkahas underwent a very special training camp at the Marine Base at Ternate, Cavite. Team Angkahas is confident that the Pinoy champ will be at top condition before his much-anticipated fight against Japanese Ryuichi Funai. Aside from proper diet, his no-distraction training camp boosts Jerwin Angkahas' physical and mental condition. Jerwin's training consists of uphill runs and sparring with 6 different boxers.
Sakripisyo talaga yung paghahanda namin nito kasi walang labasan talaga. Ilang linggo na kami dito. Sa laban na to na darating, magpakita po na sana maganda yung laban na resulta, yung pinagpahirapan namin, yung pinapractice namin kung paano makapatama ng maganda sa kalaban.
After his close fight with Barrios, Jerwin is more determined to have a dominant win against Funai.
Ano ko lang po na itong laban na to, ma-assure po na pinaghandaan namin na at saka pinagpabutihan pa namin na may ibubuga pa po kami sa taas ng ring.
Don't miss Top Rank Boxing presents Angkahas vs. Funai on May 10, Sunday, 10 a.m. live and exclusive on SNA.